Hey everyone, we are going to make an egg sandwich today. Super easy way. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it can be for any meal you want. Obviously awesome for breakfast, but any meal of the day it would be great. What you'll need are eggs, one per person, whatever bread product you're going to use to make this sandwich, some cheese, and I have some Canadian bacon here as well. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure your stovetop, you got a nice nonstick skillet here, get that preheated. So I'm turning it on first. I'm going to give that a minute or two to heat up. I'm going to get a little bit of oil on there, and then I'm going to start cooking the eggs. You can put your bread products into, if you have a toaster oven, or you can use your big oven. If you're making more than two, if you're making four maybe for the whole family, I would definitely say go into the oven with that on a nice baking sheet. All right, so I'm going to start that in a little bit. Waving your hand over top, I can feel that this pan is heating up, so I'm going to do a small drizzle of oil in there and wait for a minute to let the oil heat up. Give that oil a swirl in your pan. Try to cover as much space as possible. And then you have your egg ready. Check for shells. Make sure there are no shells in there. Have your egg ready. You're going to gently slip it into the pan, and you should start to hear a slight sizzle right away. I'm going to get my second egg ready. Same thing, gently slip it into the pan. Slight sizzle. Take your turner and poke the yolks. That will help the yolk cook. You just want to let it be. Try not to touch it all the time, just kind of let it cook on its own, let it be. Adjust your heat if it's getting a little too intense. If you want it to go faster, you can add the lid on there. And we'll get ready to serve it up. All right, I'm ready to plate here now. You can plate this in any order that you want. I'm gonna put the egg down first, and then that Canadian bacon on top. Looks delicious. Hope you enjoy.